Time to get down and dirt, ninja style. Alright,
we're back, guys. The concrete ninja's back at work. I didn't show you my snow video yet, but oh well. This is this video. We're working for Lawrence today. We're putting shutters up around the outside. It's all been edged. I just edged it all in here. Yeah, it's all edged already. All good, all good. We're just putting the beams in. And away we go. It's Monday here in Australia. Good times. Beautiful day here in Australia. Just got the beams in. Alright, this is today's action. We're back. We're doing a nice little one. Nice easy day for us. Just squared it off, got a square underneath the house there as well. But should be going good. Next truck's here. The whole driveway's in. We just got a little ramp up the side there to do, and then she's done. We're gonna do like a control joint up there for the footpath. So we'll show you a bit of that, I think, in the video. Okay. So we're all in. Today we're gonna actually do the joins in there. Put all the cuts in the actual concrete this time. I haven't done this for a long time. We don't usually do this no more in Australia, but in this job we're going to do it. Do all that footpath up there as well. Got metal boxing all the way around it. It's going to stay on there. And we've got this crazy footpath. We have to do a joint across there, and across there. Awesome. Alright. Jeffrey's putting dummy joint in. Is that what you call them? Dummy joints? Cold joints? I reckon. There's gonna be one there, and one up here. Just gonna flick the lines for it. Make it nice and straight. Put the string line all the way through. I'm gonna flick it. Put this. Little line. String line this one. Yep. There's one straight line there and one straight line there.
And now, come up and reach out and just edge this door sill, grab the edge.
And one in here. Like I said, I haven't done one of these cold joints for a long time.
All these walls later and height and plane too, are you?
Yeah. Okay, so we've broken the slab all the way. It's a bit sloshy up this end. It's drying underneath, but the top's staying wet because it's all in the shade. But down here, she's already been broomed up there a little bit. And we've already hit this twice. We stick trout it. She's a nice coarse broom because it's council. Don't want no one to slip over. Got the dummy joints in there. As you can see, dummy joint in there. Dummy joint in there. Then it's broomed up to here. So we're just going to do this bit again. All this bit's broomed. The dummy joint there, one down the bottom there. Jace is all shrouded up. Jace's done all the dummy joints. I don't know what that means. If you're a dummy for doing the joints.
It's a joint for dummies.
A joint for dummies. I don't know about that. I reckon it should be called a smart joint because a cut is a joint for dummies.
This is true.
You need to be tricky how to do this shit. Anyway, yeah, looking good, looking good. Oh. Beautiful. We've got a very coarse broom as well, so it's a bit, it's good, because it's working. Beautiful. Jack's stripping the job. We're stripping this one today. All that metal bit on the side there on that ramp is staying in there. That is the boxing. That is part of the slab. It's all good. Alright. Move on. We're back from our holidays, back into the concrete. I did a job on Monday, but I didn't film it because it was too hot and it was too fast and I had no time to film. And I was friggin' buggered from the snow. The snow really wore me out. So yeah, to slowly back into it, and yeah, hopefully I got another job tomorrow, Lawrence. I'll do a bit of a video there. Stay tuned till we finish this one off. Okay, the job's done. She's all broomed off. Oh, yeah. Jason's under here, stripping underneath the house here. So we have to do it now. Yeah, I got it. Yep, I made it enough. All good, all good. I know, I was gonna pull this timber out of here. Oh! Again! Oh, yes. On the broom and the drill. Okay, back into it. All right, guys, we're all packed up. She's all done. Another day, another $1 for Jeff Clyden. The ramp over there looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good. Oh shit! Nearly tripped over. Sorry that video wasn't that awesome today, but I did the best I could. It's just the start, so we're back into it again. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and share that video for us. The share videos help the most. So if you can share the video, it'd be awesome. Only if it's a good one. If you don't like it, fucking don't share it. I wouldn't share it either. Anyway, talk to you next time. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.